Hello students, how are you? Today again we will discuss, we have discussed yesterday three case study. So last case study is this. So according to me, some changing in this question, that's also right, no problem about that. But here written following question in arithmetic progression, write the AP for the number of triangle used in the figure. So that's doubt in my mind. So that's also in AP. So how many triangles? Here 4 triangles. How much triangle? 4. That's not wrong. But we can show it like this also. 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this also form AP. This also form AP, whose first term is what? 4, and common difference 6 minus is this. So what's next term? 10. 10 triangle, then 12 triangle, then 14 triangle. So this just I want to discuss with you. If coming in exam, so you can show like this also, otherwise this also right. But here using one word, which word? What's word using? Triangle. So that's why I'm saying here, this one. So we can say like this also. So these are 3 case study given in books. Now what we will do, we will solve all question of previous year question paper which came in your exam. Understood? So 90% possibility from here that question is like that coming in your exam. Understood? And better try to give your 100% concentration need, then able to solve math. Otherwise not able to solve. We will discuss it later, I'll discuss about that. So saying question number 1, which came, when came? In 2018. Where? In CBSE. In CBSE. Understood? In an AP, if the common difference D. So what's the common difference here? What's the common difference? Common difference means D equal to minus 4. And the 7th term is 4. 7th term, so it's meaning A7 is equal to 4. Then find the first term. You have to find out first term. So easily you know A7 equal to A plus 6D. And this is equal to 4. A plus 6 into, what's your D? Minus 4 is equal to 4. So A minus 24 equal to 4. So A equal to 24 plus 4. How much? This is equal to. So A equal to 28. So what's its meaning? Therefore, first term of given AP is how much? 28. Understood? So this is a solution of question number 1, which came in 2018 CBSE exam. So systematically you can solve. So examiner able to give you marks, and in CBSE you can write as much you know. Definitely examiner give you marks. So this is the question number 2, which came in exam when? 2018. Where? CBSE. CBSE meaning Central Board of Secondary Education. So the sum of 4 consecutive terms in AP is 32. And ratio of the first and the last term of the term to the product of the 2 middle term is 17 raised to 15. So consecutive means side by side. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are consecutive. So saying the sum of 4 consecutive number in AP. 4 number are in AP. It's meaning given AP, but 4 term are consecutive. Consecutive meaning लगातार, you can say, side by side you can say. So first we assume let A is the first term of given AP and B is its common difference. Common difference. So what are 4 consecutive terms of AP? We have taken A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, and A plus 3. Understood? We can assume like that. So their common difference, their common difference, their common difference must be same. And what saying? The sum of 4 consecutive terms in an AP is 32. Their sum is 42. So we can say A minus 3D plus A minus D plus A plus D plus A plus 3D is how much? 32. So 3D cancel this 3D, D cancel this D, A, how many A? 4A equal to 32. It's meaning A equal to 32 by 4. How much? 8. So first term of this AP is how much? 8. Understood? And second, the ratio of the product of the first and the last term. Product of the ratio of the product of the first and the last term. First term is this, last term is this. A minus 3D into A plus 3D. Understood? By and the last term to the product of 2 middle terms. Middle terms, this and this. A minus D and A plus D is equal to 7 by 15. This given. So what's your A? What's your A? A equal to 8. So we can write, here I can write 8 minus 3D, 8 plus 3D by 8 minus D and 8 plus D is equal to 7 by 15. A minus B, A minus B, A minus B, A plus B. So A square minus B square. So 64 minus 9 D square by 64 minus D square is equal to 7 by 5. Cross multiplication. 5 into 64 minus 9D square equal to how much? Sorry, 7 into 64 minus D square. How much? 20, 32 minus 45 D square is equal to 488, 28, sorry. Minus 7 D square. This taken that side, minus 45 D square minus plus 7 D square is equal to 448 minus 320. Yes, how much? 38 minus D square is equal to how much? 448 minus 320, 8 to 1. Understood? 128. So d square equal to 128 by 38. 1964. Yes or no? So what's your D? Find the numbers. Find the numbers meaning you have to find out these terms. So what's your D? D equal to this. D equal to this. So this wrong here, 17 by 15 here, 15 here. So 15 coming here. So some mistake in it. So we can solve again. So looking mistake, that's why I'm trying. So how much? 15 into 64 minus 9 d square equal to 448 minus 7 d square. Minus 9 d square plus 9, 7 d square. This minus bring in this side 135 d square plus 7 d square is equal to this. Yes or no? So how much? Minus 128 d square, 960 minus 448, 2, 1, how much? 5. So is equal to minus 512 d square is equal to minus 512 by 128. Minus cancel minus. Understood? 4 equal to 4. So d square equal to 4. So what's your d? D equal to plus minus 2. So either d equal to 2 or d equal to minus 2. But sum is how much? First term is 32. So we can apply. So what's your first term? 8 minus 3d. D we can take 2. Second, 8 minus 2 plus 2 taking. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 6. How much? 8 minus 6, 2, 6, 10, 14. How much total sum? 32. And if we are taking d equal to minus 2, then sum is not equal to 32. Sum is not equal to 32. One time check. A equal to 8 plus 6. 8 plus 2, 10. 8, 6. 8, how much? 8 minus 6, how much? 2. So how much? So either d equal to 2 or d equal to minus 2. So what's your terms? What's 2, 6, 10, 14? According to this, 14, 10, 6, 2. Understood? What's the first and fourth? What's the sum of first and fourth product? This 28. How much? 60. 7 ja 50. But if you can check here, this is 28 and this is again 60. So meaning d equal to 2 or d equal to minus 2. So what you can say, first four term, we can say 2, 6, 10, 14. If d equal to 2, d equal to 4, d equal to 2, sorry. And 14, 10, 6, 2, if d equal to minus 2. So this is the solution of it. So possibility of this type of question coming in your exam. So I think understood. So if we have to take four terms consecutive, so way of taking is this: a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. What's the difference of these? A minus d minus a plus 3d. If you can cancel it, this cancel, 2d is different. Understood? This and this, a minus d minus a minus d. So this cancel, this how much? Sorry, a plus d minus a plus d. Again 2d. So if you have to take four term, we have to assume. So in this way, this is a way of taking these. I think understood. Next question. Question number, what's question number 3? This came in exam in CBSE when? 2019-20 session. It's meaning in April 2020. This question came. Two questions given, both we will solve, but there is a choice. If in an AP A equal to 50, so first we can find out solution of it. A equal to 50. What's your A? 50. D equal to 4. Sn equal to 0. Find out n. So directly we can apply formula. We know formula. Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn 0. This also taken this side becomes 0. N 2 into 50 plus n minus 1 what? Into 4. Solve it, it's become a quadratic equation. 0 towards 100 and plus 4n square minus 4n. Got or not? 4n minus 4 coming. If don't understand, in this way you can solve one more step. We can take 0 equal to 100 and plus n square minus n into 4. So what's which become 0, 100 and plus 4n square minus 4n. So how can we write 4n square minus 4n, 4n square minus n plus 100n equal to 0. How much? 96. 4n square plus 96n equal to 0. 4n taken common. N equal to how much? 4 to the 8. 4 for the 16. Understood? So what? 4n equal to 0, which meaning n equal to 0. Or n plus 24 equal to 0. So n equal to minus 24. So how much? N equal to 24. This we can apply to find n. To find n. Sn equal to 0. So got This is the solution of this first one. Second, we can take, what we can take second part of this. That's also like find the sum of first 12 two-digit multiple of 7. So which one is the two-digit first multiple? 14, 21, 28. So what's A here? 14, B 7, and 12. And what you have to find out? Sum. Sum formula you know, Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into b. Sn we have to find out, equal to 12 by 2, 2 into 14 plus 11 b. D also given 7. So equal to how much? 6, 28 plus 77. 11 sevens are 77. If you can add these, 6 into 105. If you can multiply this, 630. So what's your Sn? 130. Which part is this? B part of this question. Which part? B part of this question. Understood? Here n minus 1. Got? Understand? Next. I told you each and every one, but we can revise. This also came same year in the session, in the, we can say what? April 2020. What? Find the sum of first 30 term of AP. You have to find out first 30 terms of AP. So first we can write fourth question A part. So n equal to 30, sequence 30, 24, 18. So what's your A? A equal to 30. What's your A equal to 30? B equal to minus 6. If you can check, so what possibility? Possibility is this question related to find out the sum. Second formula we are using. So you have to find out S. We know Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn, S what? 30 equal to n, 30 by 2. 2a, a equal to what? 30 plus 29, d is what? Minus 6. Remaining calculation you know or don't know. So this is equal to 15. How much this? 60. This calculation 29 into 6 minus 174. Minus 174 equal to 15 into what's coming? Minus 114. How much? Multiplication. So what's your S30 equal to this? Got this? B part of it. If Sn given, how much given? N into 4n plus 1. Then find the AP. AP you have to find out. How simple is this? First we can find out S1. 1, 4 plus 1. How much? 4 plus plus 1, 5 1 5, and this is equal to A. S2 equal to 2 into 4 into 2 plus 1. How much this? 4 2 8 plus 1 9, 9 2 18. So S2 meaning A1 plus A2 is equal to 18. So A2 18 minus how much? 5. So this is your 13. So this is your 13. So what's your first term? 5. What's your first term is what? 5. Second term 18. Similarly, we can find out S3 is equal to what? 3 into 4 into 3 plus 1. So what's your this? 3, 12 plus 1, 13, 39. 39, what's its meaning? A3 is equal to S3 minus S2. So 39 minus how much? 18. How much? 21. What's 21? Here what's coming? 13. Then 21. So remaining this is the 80. This is your 80. Next question. Question number 5. How many two-digit number are divisible by 3? It's meaning you have to find out n. So solution of this. First term 12, then 15, then like this. What's your last term? 100 if you can divide by 3. 3 3 are 9, 1, 3 3 are 9. 33. It's meaning 99. Last term of two digit which is divisible by 3 is 99. So what you can find out? A equal to 12, B equal to 3, An equal to 99. And what we have to find out? N. So find out. An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Simple formula. An 99. A 12 plus n minus 1 D equal to 3. So 99 equal to 12 plus 3n minus 3. If you can solve it, 99 minus 12 plus 3 is equal to 3n. How much? 87 plus 3, how much? 90 equal to 3n. What's your n? 90 by 3. How much? 30. So n equal to 3. So n equal to 30. This in the next year. Which exam? April 2021. April 2021. Able to solve? Simple one. Sixth question. Which term of AP will be 120 more than its 21st term? This is also coming in what? Same year. Which year? April 2021. So what's your A? A equal to 3, B equal to 12. So what's A? 21 equal to A plus 20D. So how much A? 3 plus 20 into 12. How much? 3 plus what? 240. It means 243. A21 equal to 243. And which term? It's meaning you have to find out term. 120 more. So we can add, let An equal to 243 plus 120. How much? 363. Which term? Which term of this AP is 663. So it's an 663 equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So 363 equal to a. What's your a? What's your a? 3. What's your a? 3 plus n minus 1 into d. D equal to 12. So 663 equal to 3 plus 12n minus 12. Bring in this side 663, 312 minus 9 plus 9 also here. 12n. How much? 372 is equal to 12n. So what's your n? 372 by 12. 3 ja, 1 ja. So n equal to 31. So 31st term of the given AP is 120 more than its 21st term of the given AP. Understood? Second part, here I can solve having space. What's I having space? Yes, this. The sum of first n term of an AP Sn equal to 3n square minus 4 by 1. So what's your S1? What's your S1? Or you can say A1. 3 minus 4 equal to minus 1. 3 minus, understood. S2 equal to A1 plus A2 equal to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12 minus 4, how much? 8. So first term is minus 1. Second term, A2 plus A1 equal to 8. So A2 equal to 8 minus A1. A1 is what? What's its meaning? 9. Yes or no? So what's your A? A equal to minus 1, D equal to 10. So what's your AN? AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Directly we can apply. So what's your A? Minus 1, n minus 1 into 10. So what's its become? Minus 1 plus 10n minus 10. So how can we write this? 10n minus 11. This is the answer. So what's your AN? AN equal to 10n minus 11. Got? Understood? This also makes one more question which is coming in April 2020. Related to CBSE we are talking. The sum of first 4 term of an AP is 40. Sum of first 4 term A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. Their sum 4A. Sorry, A minus 3D plus A minus D plus A plus D plus A plus 3D is equal to 40. So this cancel this cancel this. So how many? A 4A is equal to 40. Same like that question. A equal to 40 by 4, 10. So what's the value of A? A equal to 10. And that first 14 term is this. The sum of first 4 term of an AP is 40 and that of 14 term is 280. Find the sum of its n term. 14 term meaning S14. S14 is equal to 14 by 2. 2A, how much? 10 plus 13 B. This is how much? 280. This is 7, 20 plus how much? 13D. So how much this bring? 40 equal to 20 plus 13D. Yes or no? Bring in this side. Bring in this side. What's it's coming? 40 minus 20. 20 equal to 13D. 13D. Yes or no? So what's your D? So D equal to 20 by 13. It may be possible some mistake in it in the calculation, but method is this. Yes or no? A is what? 4A equal to 40, so A equal to 10. What you find the sum of n term? Sum of n term you can find out. Sn equal to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1D, 20 by 30. How much? Sn equal to n by 2. 2 cancel this 2, here 10 coming, so we can cancel this 2. So what's coming? N equal to what's? 10 plus n minus 1, 10 by 13. Or we can take LCM. What we can take LCM? What's your LCM? 13. 13 is your LCM, so it's become 130. What's it's become? 130. Become or not? Yes. So solve it. So Sn equal to n into 130 plus 10n minus 10. Multiplication this 10 with this. So you can calculate by 13. So Sn equal to n 130, 120 plus 10n by 30. Or what? Sn equal to 1 by 13 into 10 n square plus 120 n. If there is a no calculation mistake possibility here, if there is a calculation mistake, so again I will tell. So this is a way of solving. So remaining question we can solve in next lecture. So till this question you can solve and try to solve in your fair notebook also. And these question coming in last year question paper. And if you can solve, only 2 methods are there given by which you can solve these. It's so much easy chapter according to me, only calculation. So you can try again and again. It's now also possible if you want to clarify your doubts. So this is a place where you can clear your doubt. But later on it create a problem. So directly you can say, sir, this is my problem. और in हिंदी I can tell, बेटा अभी आप बता सकते हो कि ये मेरी प्रॉब्लम है. अब तो आप बैठे हो, ये सोच रहे होगे कि ये जो बैठे इनके पास मेरी बेइज्जती होगी. लेकिन अगर आपने उस चीज का ही ज्ञान नहीं हुआ तो वो आपके लिए क्रिएट ए बिग प्रॉब्लम. तो मेरी यही रिक्वेस्ट है, जो भी आपके मन में आता है डाउट भाई, उसका आंसर आपको जरूर अपने टीचर से, मित्र से, ट्यूटर से, पेरेंट्स से, हर किसी से पूछना चाहिए. और मैथ तो एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है जहां आप हर वाई का आंसर आपको चाहिए. सो आई होप you will try to understand what I say. Thank you all of you.